If you are able to find the purpose in your life, and if you are able to, put your 100% to pursue that purpose, there is nothing which is impossible.
Pilak Shah's story is deeply rooted in a legacy that began in 1972, when his father Rajendra Shah and his friend Harish Rangwala started Harsha Engineers in Ahmedabad.
I really idealized my father. I saw how hardworking he was. So I felt privileged. If I can come here and make it grow, then it's an opportunity that I have and I must take it. And I still feel the same way.
After his education in mechanical engineering, he entered the business in the mid-2000s, determined to expand exports and strengthen the company's global footprint.
We could see that for our customers, three things were very important: quality, cost, and delivery. Around 2010, we decided to go for TPM, which is total productive maintenance.
Pilak led initiatives that built a culture of quality, kaizen, and people-driven improvement, raising the company's manufacturing standards to world-class levels. In 2022, the journey came full circle with a successful IPO.
I had an elder sister who was mentally challenged. Unfortunately, she passed away during the COVID time. She was an inspiration for our parents. There's a unit called Astha. It is a daytime center where around 30-40 people come. They do something like a job work and then they earn some money so that they also feel an important part of the society.
What started as two engineers' dream in a small workshop is today a global enterprise with nearly 30 warehouses worldwide, serving leading customers across continents.